Welcome back to a new episode of Familiarity with Animals, where we introduce you to the incredible creatures that inhabit our planet. In continuation of that, in today's episode, we will introduce you to a primitive primate, which is known for its distinctive features and behavior. Its name is Tarsier. In this video, we will share 10 interesting facts about Tarsiers. Primitive primates. Tarsiers are often considered primitive primates, retaining some characteristics that are more reminiscent of those of early primates. Their features offer insights into the evolutionary history of primates and provide valuable information for researchers studying primate evolution. Tiny size. Tarsiers are among the smallest primates, with an average length of about 3.5 to 6 inches, excluding their long tail, which can be more than twice the length of their body. Their large eyes, which are each roughly the same size as their brain, give them excellent night vision. Enormous eyes. Tarsiers are known for their disproportionately large eyes, each one roughly the same size as their brain. These giant eyes help them gather as much light as possible in low-light conditions, contributing to their excellent night vision. Nocturnal predators. Tarsiers are strictly nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. Their large eyes are adapted to help them navigate and hunt in the dark, making them highly efficient nocturnal predators. Limited range. Tarsiers are endemic to Southeast Asia and can be found on various islands, including Borneo, Sumatra, and the Philippines. Their distribution is limited to specific regions, and they are highly adapted to the unique ecosystems of these areas. Precision jumpers. Tarsiers have elongated fingers and toes with adhesive pads, providing them with an extraordinary ability to leap precisely from branch to branch. Their specialized ankle bone, or tarsus, acts like a spring, allowing them to make silent and accurate jumps while hunting or moving through the trees. Unique hunting technique. Tarsiers are carnivorous hunters with a particular fondness for insects. Using their sharp teeth and strong jaws, they catch prey with incredible precision. Their ability to rotate their heads almost 180 degrees aids them in spotting and capturing agile insects. Almost no neck. Tarsiers have an extremely short neck, and their head is attached directly to the spine. This physical adaptation allows for greater flexibility and agility when hunting and navigating through the trees. Specialized ankle bones. The name Tarsier is derived from their elongated tarsus bones, which make up their ankles. These specialized ankle bones enable them to make powerful and precise leaps from tree to tree while hunting or escaping from danger. Vocal communication. Tarsiers communicate using a range of vocalizations, including high-pitched calls and ultrasonic sounds that are beyond the range of human hearing. These vocalizations play a role in marking territory, establishing social hierarchies, and attracting mates.